Okay, thank you very much guys. Daddy Gift TV tuko hapa live na once tumejitolea kuzungumza about anything. Jua mambo ni mengi, mambo ni mbaya. Okay, so thank you very much guys. Once again tuko hapa na news yenye tushaambiwa na leader wetu wa DCP. New opposition in town. His Excellency Honorable Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua leo make it clear. Wale wasanii wenye walienda kuona Mr. Yes Sir tuwa unfollow wote kwa social media zao, na wamepewa siku zingine hapo kidogo waende waombe msamaha kwa jamii yao, na wasipofanya hivyo, what we will do is to unfollow them from all their social medias. Na zile show wanaendanga sijui nini kwa wale wenye watawaita show. So is you to decide whether you will call those two musicians from Mount Kenya that have already been left aside, put aside by their people. Is upon you to decide whether utawaita or not. And if you call them, you will bear the consequences. Because this is now declared between those musicians and the people. So if you call them, and in case anything happens to your club or your business center where you called them, you'll be the one to bear the consequences, and in case of anything, you'll be the one responsible, because it is now declared. It's now declared. If you call them, and by the time this was being declared, people were hearing, mostly Gen Zs. So it's upon you, and this assignment is upon you to decide whether you will do it or you'll not do it. Because when you leave it there, my dear friends, my dear fellow Kenyans, my dear club owners, business owners, it's high time. It's you now, you and your people, to decide who you will call to entertain your people, because it's now made clear. These people, we've been told to unfollow them in their social medias because of betraying the community. Why can't you betray your own people because of little money you'll eat for maybe 2-3 days, or do with it to what you wanted to do with it? Na ishi hivyo. Guys, it's high time, and I'm very happy with Gachagua. Hapo nyuma si kwa line yake, lakini sahi on the lane, people who do not want to follow community restrictions, rules that are being put there so that people should go on the same lane, munaamua kupiga kona juu ya kitu kidogo ati mumetolewa. We will deal with you accordingly. We will deal with you accordingly. Those people are not working. Things on the ground are different. Wakikuja pale watatufunika macho. What you've decided to do, it's to go against the community. So who do you want to love you guys? Wajaluo ama watu wa wapi, or Luyas? No. And with the fact, if you can remember what happened, or even if you saw what happened in Kakamega, you can now decide or say or put Rigathi on another level. Si mtu wa mchezo. If he decides to say maybe your social media has to be unfollowed venye amesema hivyo, we will do without fear of contradiction. Tutafanya. And before mumepewa ultimatum of I think if not 24 hours muende muombe msamaha kwa wakubwa wa vijiji wazee. If not, we do what we've already been directed to do. We will follow you, we unfollow you on all your social medias because munaleta ujinga na dawa yenyu ni hiyo. If you've not decided, ask for forgiveness, we will do what we've been told. Na hatutaogopa. Samido and the other guy, I don't know even ni simjui. Those Mugithi people 24 hours, go ask for forgiveness from wale wazee wa kijiji na muamue kuenda na watu venye wanaenda. Endeni na upepo. You are from Mount Kenya. You are the ones who have been betrayed most. Huh? Why are you going behind your DCP party leader? The one who've come out, huh? To fight for the rights of citizens. Now you are coming. No. That won't be tolerated. If you've not decided to ask for forgiveness, all your social medias, Twitter, and follow. Thank you very much, guys. If you are new in this channel, consider subscribing and most notification. In case of anything, you'll be the first person to watch it. Thank you very much.